Good morning and welcome to this episode of Running in Circles with Heidi Gamble, aka Nest Pretty. Nest Pretty is all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. I recently listened to this, it was like a podcast, and it made the point that I found so interesting that studies show that 47% of people, what was it? I'm so bad when it comes to numbers, and I'm going to work on that. I'm going to change my script to I am amazing with numbers and I remember statistics easily. That's what I'm going to change my script to. Basically, on average, people spend 47% of their time, that's what it was, thinking about the past or the future. That's a lot of time spent thinking about the past or thinking about the future. And the thing about that is when we're spending all that time thinking about the past or the future, we are not in the present moment and just enjoying the present moment or processing the present moment or dealing with the present moment. And that's actually something I've been working on for some time. And just enjoying the moment instead of thinking about the past or the future. Generally, if people are spending tons of time thinking about the past, maybe they're spending a lot of time in judgment about themselves, about the decisions they've made, or wishing they had done things differently, or whatever. We can't change the past, so let's not spend a whole lot of time there. As far as the future, thinking about the future is fun because it can help us to propel ourselves towards our goals, towards our dreams, towards our ambitions. But primarily, just being where you are is just amazing. And there's a lot of peace in that. There's a lot of peace in just being where you are. I read this quote that said, "Are you a human doing or a human being?" So I'm just here to encourage you to be in the present moment and enjoy it. I know that in my weekly email that I send out to my my BFFs, I talk about that just a little bit this week, about waking up and feeling behind, but I'm here to encourage you that we are not behind. It's impossible to be behind. It's just a thought in your head, it's just a feeling, and we can just be really happy about where we are and move on from there. If you would love to get an email and be on my BFF list, then just raise your hand. I'd love to add you. That's where I share my insights about my own Nest Pretty journey, because it's a constant, right? So I hope you have a fantastic day, and we'll talk soon. Bye.